I've been here, you know, for what we came with is the partnership that I have obviously with Kabuto and helping the design of this nice little carrier.
Voilà, ça te plaît?
But that's why we're here for, you know, for the campaign, and make sure we take some nice pictures, some nice images of me pushing and walking with it. Travel a lot because of what I do, you know, whether it's coaching or you work on TV, or like I said, for me the whole expandable motion was something that did attract me. When you arrive at destination, when you know also that when you can leave, you can add some clothes or t-shirt or whatever you need to have in the carrier, you find yourself in a situation where you're in control of your destiny and what you can add or not in it. So that was very important for me to know that I could be part of that. It's very me. Black on black on black with a bit of red. Whenever someone asks me to put like a bit of a color in something, just it has to be a little thing. By the way, I always go with that red. I loved also the story behind the name Kabuto. It comes from the Japanese masks that you can expand.
Envoie-moi là à l'autre.
I like the standing features, especially on the big one, because you know you that you can open it and leave it like that. It almost acts like you have a wardrobe right there. But I would say the main thing for me, but to be able to expand it for me makes a difference.
Merci.